Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning.
Hey guys, to start off, I'm going to be doing my face before I do my eye makeup. You know, I do switch it every now and then. I'm going to be using this Benefit the Pro Profession Matte Rescue mattifying primer. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Okay, you guys know I love to use this stuff a lot, like my red or die. I'm just going to apply it just a bit. I'm just going to use my finger. Make sure your hands are clean before you use it to rub it all over your face. Okay, do not use a dirty hand. Make sure you do that. Ooh, make sure you slap your face. Okay, it's very important. I do this quite some time, but now I've been really doing it a lot, and it do help a lot to really get to your skin. Okay, but when I'm doing this, I really be careful. But the sake of this video, I just have to be snappy. Okay, so yeah. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'R foundation in the shade 420. I'm going to be taking my NYX Cosmetic Makeup Professional foundation brush. I'm going to be applying 3 pop over my face. Normally I will use a face powder, but I don't need it because this foundation is super matte.
I first saw you, the world stopped spinning.
Since the foundation is a matte foundation, I don't need to set it before. I'm going to be setting it later. I'm just going to move straight forward and do my highlights. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Blonde This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution Fine and Define concealer in the shade C16. And I'm using this brush by Louvia Cosmetics. I'm going to be taking the Ridge Technique sponge. I'm just going to use it to blend down my concealer. So I'm just going to use my NYX Makeup Professional brush. I'm just going to try to blend out the harsh line so everything will look seamlessly. Set my highlight under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bone, and my chin. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder.
The world stops spinning. Does your world revolve around me?
I'm going to set and set and set. Oversetting is killing me. I love to set a lot. I do this at least 5 times. If you don't like this part, just keep it, because I will set it like I want, because I have to prevent my under eye from creasing. Okay, to set my contour, I'm going to be using MAC Natural Etchender. I'm going to be taking the same brush one I used to apply the darker concealer. I'm just going to set it like so. When I'm setting my contour, I do love to, you know, carry my face. I just raise my face up, you know, with that is going to give me that contour effect that I want. This is what I've learned so far, and it helps a lot. It helps define really my cheeks and my cheekbone. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. contour brush. This is a very tiny, flat shader brush. We are done. The reason why I love to do my face before doing my makeup is very fast, super easy. It makes my life so easy. But you know, depends on the mood you are, depends on the look you're going for. If you're doing a glitcher, please do not do your makeup before you do not do your eye makeup before you do your eyeshadow. Okay, it's not so recommendable. Okay. For my brush today, I'm going to be using this Flormar Eyebrow liner in the shade, what is it called? What is the shade? Where is the shade? Where is the shade? Where's the shade? The shade is called dark brown. I'm going to be taking my spoolie and I'm just going to brush my brow towards the direction I want them to go to.
Revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw?
That's a brow I've been doing lately and I love it. Okay, you know my brow is a chameleon. I'm personal, I'm a chameleon. Okay, I do love to change things every now and then. I'm going to be taking a bit of mercier with my spoolie. I'm just going to use it to blend the front of my eyebrow to make it look as realistic as possible. So yeah, we are done, almost done. Not we are not done, almost done. We have to conceal. To just take this, my favorite BH Cosmetic synthetic angle brush. I'm taking this Jessup fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to blend out the concealer, the one I used to apply, when I used to clean my under my brow bone. Take the same concealer, I'm just going to apply a little bit right here. Like to use the same brush just to dab it like so to my eyelid all over. Okay, taking the dry returning sponge, I'm just going to kindly, you know, just set it with the rest powder remaining on it, just like so, from any creasing. So guys, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution Pro HD Socialite palette right here. This palette, guys, I'm in love. I think I've used it one on my channel. I did a tutorial few weeks back, but I didn't really tell you how I feel about this palette. Like, if you're a nude vibe, this palette is recommended. Before you, it was €17.99, very affordable, and you can find every shade you need when it comes to nude natural look are we going for? That's the question. It's just a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. So yeah, I think I only have 4 or 5 shimmer shades in this palette. Other than that, the rest are mattes. I do love to do something like this when I don't really know the kind of look I'm going for, when I'm going for a very simple look, not a cut crease, not smoking eye, really. Now our lid is super beautiful, ready for another shade. I'm going to be taking a smaller brush. I'm going to be taking this Bluebell kind of small round brush, and I'm taking this shade right here. Which shade am I even taking? I'm taking this shade kind of beautiful dark chocolate, this one right here. You know, I love to apply and then I blend. I'm just going to apply that to my outer corner, and later on I'm just going to blend it towards my crease area, but very gentle, not that much. And this eyeshadow, guys, is very pigmented. The pigment is just amazing. One touch, you're good to go. You don't need to apply too much. Darker shade close to that beautiful dark chocolate, this one right here. This is super dark. Okay, I'm just going to apply that as well. I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to be spraying my brush with makeup setting spray, and I'm using this MAC face mask. I'm just going to spray my brush if I want it. I didn't want it to apply any pigment, any shimmer on my eyelid, but my spirit is just gingering me. But I have to just a little right here. I don't know which color, what's the name of this color, I don't really know.
When you first saw
Rather Dye, my go-to Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner, and I'm using this Jessup angle brush. I don't remember the last time I did a wing liner like. I'm going to be applying the same eyeliner on my waterline. So guys, I spoke my waterline. I'm going to be taking the same brown shade powder foundation in the shade Dark Warm. I'm taking this Cosmetic powder brush. I'm just going to set all my face. I'm almost done. This is my Rather Dye powder. I can even apply this powder even when I don't apply foundation. For blush, I'm taking this Patrick Star collaboration with MAC. This one is Take Me Home. Look like I'm going to be taking this No Name brush, Amazon brush. I'm just going to apply that all over my cheeks. I'm going to be spraying my face with MAC fix matte. I'm just going to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby, shake it, shake it, baby, shake it. I need to drink some wine. Okay. Good. Cheers, darlings. So guys, I'm taking the same brush I used to apply the eyeshadow on my lid, and I'm taking Anastasia illuminator highlighter, and I'm just going to like so. Maybe a little bit on my forehead. It has been a minute since I do something like this. Oh my days, girl, what you do, what you do. Tonight I need to glow because I'm going out with Boo. Okay, Boo need to see this highlight that is not for kids. I need to take this brush right here, just kind of dilute it a little bit. Popping my lashes. The name is going to be down below. I can't remember the name. So I'm done with the lashes. I'm done. I'm going to be taking the Nars mascara. I'm just going to apply that a bit because I didn't apply mascara before I apply my lashes, but we are all good. And then apply on my bottom lashes very slightly, gently, no hard feelings. Do not get it twisted because life is already twisted herself. It was really fun doing makeup again, right? Yeah, baby girl, yeah, baby girl, yeah, baby girl, yeah. I'm just myself. I don't want to come here and start doing plain. I too know this is just me. Just love me for who I am, okay? Take me or you go out. My lips, I'm going to be using my Rather Die lip liner. This is from Maybelline. This one is called, what is it called? This one is called Copper Brown 775. Dwaying Full Lip by Catrice. And this one, the shade is called Condition Lip Butter with Shea Butter. So yeah, and the color, where is the color? I can't find the color.
Stop when you first saw me.
So guys, that's pretty much it for the makeup look. As you can tell, I'm feeling this look. This look is super beautiful, super easy. I'm loving my lip combo, like seriously. Oh my days, I'm loving this look. Super natural, super sexy at the time. I'm full of myself. I love to be extra. You guys know by now. Okay.
Falling for me. Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?